So I like to talk to people, and Ray is into upper body building and likes to get his hand dirty. So he's going to mostly crank and I'm going to mostly talk, but he'll do some talking also. I'm not going to do any cranking. But anyway, I want to welcome you to the museum and to this demonstration of the Babbage difference engine number 2. So anybody hear of this thing or have any thoughts or expectations? Or, okay, heard about Babbage maybe? Anybody? Okay, so we'll get into the details, but what is this thing from a high level? Well, it's 5 tons of bronze, cast iron, and steel. It's built from drawings that have been mothballed for 150 years or so. It's the product of the mind of an eccentric genius and inspired by hairstylists. So I'll explain that in a minute. But first, I know some of you said you've heard about Babbage and the machine. You're probably eager to see it work. You know, easier to see it work. So why don't we take it for a spin? Okay. And just before we get started, I want to volunteer. I want to recruit somebody to help verify whether the machine is working correctly or not. So any offers here? It's very easy. You just have to look at it. You don't even have to talk. So you can do it. So we're going to go to, where is it, 105?
No, that's 110. 110. Okay.
So the line here starts with 110. In a few minutes, I'm going to read off a number that should be this number.
All right.
And so I haven't memorized it. I promise you.
We're
read the number. You can see
calculating this particular polynomial expression. The machine was set up before the weekend, last weekend, to x equals 0. So since then, we've currently calculated 109 results for that polynomial expression.
We're going to talk about why it's doing that,
Yeah.
what its purpose is, and so forth.
So we're going to crank it one more time, and then we have the answer to check it out. Here we go. Okay, that's the result of that polynomial expression.
Okay, so 1, 5, 6, 2, 6, 6, 2, 4, 8, 1, 3, 6, 6, 1, 8, 1. Check. All right, it's alive, it's breathing, and it worked.